If you're wondering how to pay a bill in Xero and make your accounting process more efficient, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're going to walk through the steps of paying a bill in Xero so you can save time and focus on what matters most, running your business. Before we dive in, if you want to start using Xero for free, be sure to check out the first link in the description below for an exclusive trial. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Now, let's get into how to pay a bill in Xero. First, you need to make sure that you've already entered the bill into Xero. If you haven't done that yet, head over to the Bills to Pay section and click New Bill. Fill in the necessary details like the supplier's name, due date, and the amounts. Once that's done, you're ready to proceed to payment. Next, go to the Bills to Pay screen where you'll see a list of all your unpaid bills. Find the bill you want to pay and click on it. You'll notice a button that says Make Payment. Click that and you'll be directed to the payment screen. Now, you can choose the payment method. Xero offers a range of options here, like bank transfers, credit cards, and online payment services. If you've already linked your bank account to Xero, it's super easy to select your account and enter the payment details. When it comes to the payment date, make sure it aligns with your bank's transaction date to keep everything accurate. Once you've filled in all the payment details, click Save or Approve. Xero will then record the transaction and mark your bill as paid. But here's a quick tip. You can also create recurring payments if you have regular bills that need to be paid every month. This can save you tons of time and reduce the chance of forgetting a payment. One of the great things about Xero is that it syncs with your bank feed, so once you've made the payment, you can match the transaction with the bill in Xero to keep everything perfectly aligned. This ensures that your financial records are always up to date, without you having to do extra work. And if you're paying multiple bills at once, don't worry. Xero lets you pay several bills in one go. Simply select the bills you want to pay, and Xero will help you pay them all at once, saving you time. You might also want to keep an eye on your accounts payable summary to get a quick view of your outstanding bills. This is a great way to ensure you're not missing anything or running into late fees. So now you know how to pay a bill in Xero and automate some of those processes. It's easy to do, and Xero makes sure you stay on top of your finances without the stress. Remember, if you want to give Xero a try, don't forget to grab that exclusive free trial by clicking the link below. By the way, if you're using Xero already, you can explore even more ways to streamline your business finances, and we'll be covering those in future videos. Thanks for watching, and make sure you stay tuned for more Xero tips and tricks.